Zhejiang Leading Technology Co Limited, established in 2007, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of cabinet handles, furniture knobs, and clothes hooks. We are located in Binhai Industry Zone in Wenzhou, Zhejiang. It only takes 10 minutes to Longwan International Airport. If you visit Wenzhou, welcome to make a field inspection of our factory. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. With newly established automated manufacturing system, our capacity has reached 46,000 pieces per day, and all our products are certified with ISO 9001-2015 and GMC standards. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Middle East, and European Union. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are fully committed to the business philosophy of quality is life, credibility is guarantee. Relying on the endeavor of each one of our employee as well as our manufacturing and management systems, we are pursuing a mutual benefit and win-win solution with every of customers, with consistent optimized products and services.